As the first week of December 2025 began, Michael Jordan, Denny Hamlin, and NASCAR were linked in a high-stakes trial. Court staff placed boxes of team papers on long tables. The opening statements revealed numbers and messages from 23XI Racing that had never been shown to the public. The case started with sharp tension. The lawsuit was filed by 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports. Both teams say NASCAR's charter system, created in 2016, gives NASCAR control over race entry, team revenue, and long-term contracts. The system gives 36 charter teams automatic entry into every points race and a larger share of race day money. The case began in October 2024. Both teams refused to sign NASCAR's new charter deal for 2025. They said the new terms limited team control and locked them into agreements they could not change. Their refusal led directly to the antitrust complaint. In June 2025, a U.S. appeals court removed an earlier injunction that had protected the team's charter status during the lawsuit. After that ruling, all 6 cars from both teams had to race as open teams. Open teams must qualify every week and earn less money compared to charter teams. Reuters reported that charter teams receive significantly higher payouts. On the first day of the trial, Denny Hamlin took the stand. He gave financial details under oath. Hamlin said, "It costs $20 million to operate a single car over a full 38 Race Cup Series season." He also said 23XI Racing paid $46.2 million for 3 Cup Series charters. Hamlin described his early racing years in sworn testimony. He said, "We got to when I was about 20 and a decision had to be made. I could keep racing or go out and work for my dad's trailer business. If I can't be successful with Michael as a partner, I knew this was never going to work." Attorneys for 23XI and Front Row presented statements, emails, and team records. They argued that NASCAR's structure limits competition and allows the sanctioning body to set terms without team approval. In court, Attorney Kessler said, "So why would these people do this if you are just going to lose money because NASCAR isn't giving you a fair deal? Because you love stock car racing and there's nowhere else to do it." NASCAR's legal team responded. They said the charter system raises charter value, protects race access, and brings steady payouts. Recent charter sales reached over $40 million. NASCAR said payments increased about 3 to 4% per year during the charter term. NASCAR also pointed to internal records from the teams. NASCAR lawyers stated in court, "It's important to talk about the truth in this trial, so let's do that." This lawsuit was Curtis Polk and 23XI's plan from the start. That's why we are here today. The judge said the case will continue because the claims deal with how NASCAR runs the top level of stock car racing in the country. The court also noted that NASCAR sets the rules for who can race, how races are held, and how teams take part in the season. More witnesses and financial records will be brought in as the trial moves ahead in Charlotte. Keep watching our updates by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with others.